Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today to learn about for our company, JVP Corporation. This is Fania, Director of the Market Research, and I will be talking briefly about our company backgrounds, mission, vision, and overall team scope. So we are a Singapore-based startup biotechnology company established in 2022, and we are specializing in stroke therapeutic drugs, specifically improved version of the tissue plasminogen activator for the Asia Pacific market. Our mission is to discover, develop, and deliver the life-changing therapeutic drugs to the patients in need. And our vision is to be Asia's leading innovative biotechnology company for the therapeutic product. According to the Coherent Market Insight and Model Intelligence, global stroke therapeutic market is projected to be expanded tremendously in these 5 years, whereby the Asia Pacific market will be ranked in that place. In Singapore, the historical data also shows that the stroke is the top, consistently among the top 5 causes of the death, and therefore we do foresee the market of the TPA will be expanding not only at national but also at the international level. Today, I have my brilliant colleagues, Chief Scientific Officer and Chief Facility Officer, who oversee the lab research, operation, as well as the facility for our mass production. Without further ado, I will now hand over to Jeff, our Chief Scientific Officer, who works very hard to perform our research on improving our TPA in order to deliver the best quality of our product to the customer.
Hi, I'm Jeff, the Chief Scientific Officer for JVP Corporation. I'm working on research to improve on our molecule of interest TPAI as mentioned by Vanya. It is a serine protease that acts to break down blood clots. So clotting happens by platelets aggregating to first form a platelet plug, and then through a coagulation cascade, fibrin, which is a stringy structural protein, it will knit the platelets together to form a more stubborn plug. So the danger here is when part of the fibrin plug breaks off from the side and travels along the blood vessel until it gets stuck in the narrower vessel, potentially causing a ischemic stroke. To reduce the clot and restore circulation, TPAI is administered through a bolus injection which travels through the body systemically. So eventually it will reach and bind to the obstructing fibrin plug and act on the surrounding plasminogen to break it down into plasmin, which is plasmin is the active molecule which is used to dissolve the fibrin. And then when the fibrin is gone, the clot is being able to dissolve. So another issue we face here is because the half-life of plasmin is short, you need your TPAI to be administered so that it can assist the body in breaking down the clots. So our TPAI has been modified to be more efficient at lower doses so as not to cause unnecessary internal bleeding, and it is also smaller so that it can travel to the clots in the narrower blood vessels. So I'll now hand over to our next presenter, Yipeng, who will tell you more about manufacturing and quality assurance. Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Yipeng, the Facilities Manager for JVP Corporation. My role is to ensure facilities are acquired, maintained, and are properly resourced to allow for the most efficient production of TPAI. TPAI is produced using recombinant DNA technology, and this involves the transformation of plasmids into bacteria. Once the bacterial growth has peaked, TPAI will be extracted by lysing the bacteria. A series of liquid chromatography and ultrafiltration will be performed to purify TPAI before it is ready for preliminary testing. Our goal is to be able to get TPAI approved for clinical use. Therefore, our laboratory was designed to integrate both preclinical and clinical setup. Providing quality assurance is of utmost importance, and besides our highly accomplished scientists on board, our laboratory is ISO 17025 accredited, demonstrating our technical competence and quality results that you can certainly trust. To ensure the health and safety of everyone at work, we have all gone through numerous trainings and are fully compliant with the Occupational Health and Safety Act as well as the Therapeutic Goods Act. Our self-sufficient laboratory was put together with one aim in mind: to produce top quality products at lower cost than mainstream current market products. While it is very costly to set up, we are here to stay for the long term because we believe in walking the healthcare journey with you. With that, we conclude our presentation and hope you had an insightful experience listening to us. Thank you.